I'm Gerald Vickers, Type 1 Safety Officer of Greg Ponson's Incident Management Team here on the Frye Fire in Arizona. We're here on the 366 road today looking at hazard trees. This is an area we consider pretty dangerous for firefighters. One of the 4 areas where we see a lot of serious accidents, injuries, and fatalities. So to mitigate that, we usually send experienced, well-trained fallers in ahead of the crews and the resources to work on the fire to actually cut down hazard trees. And we're going to take a look at some of that operations.